will dissociate. I am not writing water here. Acid will dissociate as H plus and A minus. If it is water, yes, tell. What is that? H3O plus A minus. Okay. That H will combine with water and form H3O plus. Apply law of mass action. So this is the equation. In this equation, we can take these two as same concentration as said you. 100 molecules are divided into 50 are dividing here. So it will be 25 plus 25. Can be written as 2 into 25. When applying law of mass action to this equation, 25 raised to its power divided by 50. Now apply same thing here. Constant is equal to, assume these two as same. You can take H3O plus square or you can take A minus square. Textbook has taken H3O plus square. I am taking A minus. Anything you can take. No need to follow textbook. Okay. If you want to follow textbook, no problem. H3O plus square. Directly I am writing. Means what? H3O plus H3O plus is equal to 2 into H3O plus. Stoichiometric equation, square of H3O plus divided by HA. Where we are doing all this nonsense? In water. What is your distribution law equation? Is equal to C organic by C aqueous. Because we are considering HA, I will write HA in organic, acid concentration in organic divided by acid concentration in water. Acid concentration in organic divided by acid concentration in water. Okay. Now we have to substitute this equation. For that you should know this one. Your acid, when added to organic layer, it will partitionate between water and organic layer. Remember, while partitionating, even though the molecule is associating or dissociating, but at the time of partitioning, it will be single molecule. Only single molecule will partitionate, not in associated form, not in dissociated form. For partition, this concept you should know. For partition, you require same molecule. After coming here, it may dissociate. Okay, now I have to give the terms here. So this one is C1. Okay, this one is C1. We'll take this one as C2. We'll take this one as C3. Okay, you take anything, you need to substitute there. That's all. Okay. So the equation should be C1 by C2. But we are writing C1 by C3 because they are. So in this case, KD is equal to C1 by C3. Find the value of C3. Come back. Here, that's what we are doing. So this one, HAW. C3 here is HAW. Okay. Find the value of C3. So take this here, send this here. So HAW is equal to H3O plus square divided by K. What is H3O plus square? C2. So C2 square divided by K is equal to HAW. What is HAW? C3 is equal to C2 square by K. Equation 2. Equation 1. Substitute 2 in 1. Okay. Substitute 2 in 1. This 3. Sorry. Here it is. Substitute 2 in 1. This. Substitute your 2 in 1. Substitute is, tell me. So KD is equal to C1 by C2 square by K. So K will come here. So Kd into K is equal to C1 by C2 square. Finally, Kd is equal to C1 by C2. This is the derivation for dissociation of a molecule.